pop boat. Try one. Need a can, just a pop can. You want to cut it around this edge. Cut it around that edge. You'll end up with this. Maybe a little bit longer. I cut this one in half. Then I folded this corner in, this corner in, this corner down, then this corner in, this corner in, right? Basically, you're just trying to make it so that it's a sealed edge with a hole on one side. So no hole on this side, and a hole on this side. Now what I'm going to do, and I cut this with Cricut scissors, so really it's not hard to cut. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the sheath that comes with it. Let me see if I can get this propped up good. It doesn't look like it. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick the sheath inside so that I have a pocket. See that? Now let's take a look inside there. I don't know if it'll let us on this. Basically, you can see there's no holes in there. That's what we're looking for. If you were to go into any of the other ones, there'd be a hole. There is 90% of your engine. Really simple. All right, next piece to go to this. You need an exhaust system. Straws. Pretty simple. You're going to stick the straw into the cylinder. The one we just made. Now, an important part to the straw, technically, is that we should be gluing this all together. But for me, I'm just going to try it without glue, because this is my first try. So I'm just going to basically bend it in so it holds it in place. Then we just need to get a candle and immerse this in water and make sure that it pops. I'm going to cut it shorter as well. So right now, and it's just regular straw. See this? With a bending thing. You know, I don't even know if you have to use that kind. It just, to me, it looks better. So we'll go ahead and cut this one. I'll show you how easy that is. Just take a pair of scissors. There you go. Exhaust system, everything for that. All right, so let me go ahead and pause the video at this point. I'm going to stick it in the hole. I'm going to take this one out. This was for showing you. I might not even have to pause it yet. Here. We're going to take a piece. We're going to take one side, whichever side. We're going to pick this up. Just make sure that it's the right side. We're going to stick it in there, and I would say, for my purposes, I'm going to make sure the straw is pointing down. I'm just going to press in. Press in. On my final one that I make, this is my first one, but on my final one, I'm going to glue this all up with like an epoxy that hardens. Probably want waterproof, just in case. So we'll get to that on another night. I have some in another toolbox, but I'm not going to deal with that for the moment. So there we go. So now we need to test our pop boat. So hold on. We're going to take it upstairs. We're going to find a candle to put under it. We're going to put this in water, and we're going to see if it pops.
So that's the engine?
Okay, so now we're up in the kitchen. We've got a candle, and we got the motor. What we're going to try to do is see if the candle with the motor will make a pop sound in water. If it will, then we're successful. Alright, so I'm putting some water in here. So as you can see, it's just cheap Tupperware with water in it. Engine, exhaust, candle. Alright, so here we go. This one might take more than one person to pull off. Let me pause it while I set it up. Alright, candle, pop boat, into the water. And let's see what happens.
That's not the type, Chloe.
So far it's not working. Not working.
Well, because you're supposed to glue it.
Currently isn't working. Go ahead.
It's not like. What you bring that?
Oh, that's it. Alright, so from preliminary testing 1, it did actually move water out of the straw, but not in a strong enough array. So we will be using glue tomorrow to see what it does. That's the end of video 1. All you can do is experiment till you get it.